Today I'm going to show you how to clean a yoga mat. Okay, you're using your yoga mat, it gets dirty, gets sweat, gets grime, dirt, dust on it. I'm going to show you how to clean it. Now, how I clean it, I use this yoga mat wash and refresher. Okay, this is from Manduka right here. This is a lavender scent right here. It says, naturally cleans and freshens mat in one step, made with natural essential oils, works on all yoga mat materials. Now, the beauty of this right here, it comes with all natural products right here. It says 100% natural, non-irritating, pet friendly. Now, to do this, it says spray the entire surface of the mat using a clean surface of, let me read that. Spray the entire surface of the mat. Use a clean cloth to wipe the mat dry before rolling and using. For a deeper clean, spray generously until the mat is visibly wet. Let sit for 1 to 2 minutes. Use the clean cloth to gently scrub any areas that have dirt or stains. Dry your mat before rolling or using. Okay, to thoroughly disinfect your mat, use a Manduka botanical disinfectant cleaner. This is not a disinfectant cleaner, but you have to use that to disinfect it. And the ingredients are needed very simple: purified water, lavender essential oils, which are organic, bio-based fragrance, solubilizer, whatever that is. So I'm going to go ahead and take this and I'm going to spray it. And it says spray it and then wipe it down. Boozy. Now, if you want for a deeper clean, it says spray it until it's visibly wet and wait 2 minutes to wipe it down. So I'm just going to spray it right here just for video purposes to show you how to clean it. So it smells really nice. It smells like lavender. I'm going to take my cloth and I'm just going to wipe it down. All right, so after you finish wiping it down, get any dirt, anything off of it, and then you'll wait until it completely dries, and after it dries, you'll roll it up, and then that is how you clean a yoga mat. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for washing.